What up, y'all? It's your boy Do It Jack, and I'm back in the mix. I'm back in action. This is What's Your Hustle? Well, hustle is a way of life, and by hustle, I'm talking how you survive through life every day. Getting right into it without wasting a whole bunch of time. I want to give about three reasons why you don't get the respect you deserve from your peers, from your homies, from your coworkers, from people around you in your midst. Number one, and this is not in any particular order, but number one is because you don't take nothing serious. You know what I'm saying? You could be considered as the funny guy. Y'all hear me every now and then I talk about the funny guy, and you're the funny guy. You're the guy who's always joking, who's never taken life serious, who has, you know what I'm saying, nothing that they're willing to really work for. It's just everything's a big joke. Love to laugh and joke around, play around. Of course, we already know there's nothing wrong with joking around, laughing and playing around and all that type of stuff. But there's no balance to you, right? You do more joking than you do anything else. And all of these things that I'm telling you is all things that I either done myself or used to do, right? And sometimes still do. So I'm never speaking from a place that's above you, all right? Let's get back into it. Is you don't have anything that you take seriously. Everything's always a joke. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to serious matters, you're always the one who's joking around. You feel me? When somebody's trying to be serious, like any of y'all ever had a homeboy where you might be going through something real serious and you know what I'm saying, you're not in a joking mood, but then you tell them something and they start laughing? You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. If you possess any of those traits or qualities, man, get rid of it as soon as possible, bro. Let people know that you're not always just, you know what I'm saying, out for fun and games. You know what I'm saying? It's all fun and games till somebody get hurt. Straight up. So try to be a little bit serious about your interactions with people sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Just have a balance, bro. Have your fun, do what you got to do, but make sure that you have that balance to where you're not the funny guy. You never want to be the funny guy, bro. Never be the funny guy in the room. You can be a funny guy, just don't be the funny guy. The funny guy doesn't really get respect. The funny guy is never really taken seriously. The funny guy never really gets the type of opportunities that they feel like they are afforded because they always joking around and nobody takes them serious. They think you're gonna goof off on the job. They think you're gonna goof off on the business plan. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna goof off in a relationship. You're gonna goof off at school, at work, whatever the case may be. Never be the funny guy. That's number one. Number two is that you don't defend yourself. You don't defend yourself, you don't defend your ideas, you don't defend your beliefs. Now, how many times where you might have been, you know what I'm saying, in a group of friends or a group of people and y'all having a discussion and they say something that you just completely disagree with and you in the corner kind of just silent. You know what I'm saying? Something that you're adamant about. Now, you don't always have to speak on things that you disagree with, but you do want to defend your honor. You got what I'm saying? For example, if you were to, I don't know, let's just say you're on a date with a female and she says something that you just don't agree with. You know what I'm saying? You kind of just go along to get along. You're one of those types of people because you don't really defend yourself. That's what a lot of people who just go along to get along do. They just don't defend themselves. They don't give any pushback to ideas, to any type of thoughts, to any type of arguments. They just kind of just sit there and just almost like take verbal abuse in a sense, because, and the reason why I say verbal abuse is because you're not really defending the things that you should be defending. You know what I'm saying? You got to learn to stand up for yourself. So let's just say, you know what I'm saying, you on a date and a female disagrees with you, right? Or a female says something that you just completely disagree with and you don't really stand your ground, you don't really give any pushback just because you're on a date and you're going along to get along. That's what I mean by you not defending yourself. You got to be able to defend your ideas, defend your thoughts and everything. Like if you're in a business partnership, you feel that going path A is going to be better than path B, but your business partner says, nah, path A suck, path B is how we're going to do it. And you just say, all right, cool. And you go along with path B. You will begin to lose respect because you don't stand up for yourself. You don't have anything in which you stand on. You don't have any backbone, right? You don't want to be somebody who just doesn't defend the shit that they believe in, the things that, the ideas that they feel that will benefit them or other people, not just yourself. But you basically, the idea is, have some backbone, bro. Have some backbone, stand up for yourself, and don't be a yes man. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what I'm saying. Don't be a yes man. All right? Now, number three, the reason why you don't really get respect It's because you don't have integrity. You don't do the things that you say you're gonna do. How many of us got homies who they say, oh yeah, bro, I'm about to do this, man. I'm about to get this popping. We be like, yeah, all right, bro, I got you, yeah. Because we know that there's no consistency with them, right? They're not going to have any sustained effort at really doing anything. Somebody say, yo, I'm about to get in shape. Oh, okay, for real? Okay, that what's up. But they have a history of doing something for a week or two and then stopping when they don't see immediate results. So you have to have that level of consistency, that level of, you know what I'm saying, persistence as well. You know what I'm saying? Being able to work through when you hit walls, when you hit dead points, when you hit roadblocks, right? A lot of us, we give up too quick, and a lot of us don't believe, a lot of other people don't really believe in us because we haven't really shown that we should be worthy of being, of someone believing in us, because everything that we say we're gonna do, we eventually stop. We go hard for a minute, but we don't consistently doing it. Even when we don't see results the way we wanna do it, you have to keep doing things even when you don't see results, right? How many people you know, anytime they say that they're gonna do something and they do it, the level of respect is just much different. We always look for those type of people. When somebody says, those are also the most reliable people too. And that also plays a factor into it, because if you don't have integrity, if you don't have that ability to complete the things that you say you're gonna complete, that also means that you're not reliable, and a lot of people won't trust you. You get what I'm saying? And if they don't trust you, a lot of times they won't respect you either, because they don't believe, you know, it's almost like you're a liar, right? You're a liar. You're not doing any of the things that you say you're gonna do. So just keep that in mind, man. Anything that you put out into the world that you gonna do, things that you gonna get accomplished, you know what I'm saying? Like, how many kids is out here? I don't know if you got kids, but if you got kids, this is real important. Where you said you gonna go pick up your little mans, you're gonna go pick up your little girl, and you don't go pick them up. You feel me? They'll lose respect for you. Like, oh man, this motherfucker here, he a liar. You know what I'm saying? People tend not to respect liars, bro. And that's where that whole idea of having integrity comes into play, where you want to have a level of integrity where you may not get it done right when you say you're going to do it. You may not get it done, get something done exactly how you say you was going to get it done, but the end goal is that you always get it done. Try to be somebody whose word is bond. Whatever you say is going to come into fruition one way or the other, because of your work ethic, because of your consistency, because of you know what I'm saying, just the fact that you want to be somebody whose word is just, you know what I'm saying, is just very important to them. So you want to be somebody like that, bro. You know what I mean? Even myself, I've done things that I said I was going to do and I didn't do it. I hate to leave things unfinished. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I was working on a movie, man, called Ruby's Promise. I got hit by COVID. I ran into some issues with the housing when I was the location manager and all that stuff, but I didn't complete the movie like I said I was. And even to this day, that bothers me, bruh. Even some things about going to school, right? Even though I got back into school and everything, the fact that I didn't finish, goddamn, the fact that I didn't finish, it always bothered me, because I always said that I was gonna finish. So always don't leave those holes, man. When you speaking about certain things, when you want to bring something into life, don't leave anywhere for somebody to poke holes in you. Just always try to get things done as much as you possibly can. All right. The next reason why a lot of people don't respect you is because you don't really have a grind, right? You don't really have a mindset of progression. You don't really have the mentality where you're always going to try to better yourself. When people see that you could be doing so much better and you not doing as good as you should be doing, you know what I'm saying? Even when people try to help you and you resist the help, people will lose respect for you, because they see you as somebody who doesn't really care. You're not really interested in doing better. You're not really interested in growing and progressing and being the best version of yourself. So always just, you know what I'm saying, try to progress in whatever it is that you're doing. You know what I mean? Try to be a better businessman. Try to be a better brother, mother, or son. Or auntie. Try to be a better auntie. For my females who's watching these videos, right? Just everything, you want to have a progressive mind state, man. You know what I'm saying? The next thing is you kind of have a manipulative type of mindset where you always trying to see what you can get from somebody. All right? This is very important. Where if you in a relationship and you a dude, you trying to live off the chick and try to see what you can get from the chick, you form your relationships based off of benefits. A lot of my females listen up to this too, man, because this is 100. A lot of y'all do this shit. Y'all need to cut this goofy shit out. Where you get with certain dudes, pretend that you like them just so you can get some benefits out of them. You know what I'm saying? My fellas, we do the same thing, but we got this whole manipulative type of air around us that we need to really cut that shit out, man. And if we gonna rock with somebody, just try to be as genuine as possible, bruh. People don't respect folks who, you know what I'm saying, play them like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be 100. Just be 100. It goes back to telling the truth. Be real with your intentions. Be real with everything that you're trying to do, man. So I'm gonna keep this video real short, man. It's your boy Do It Jack, man. Y'all know if I'm coming on this camera, I'm showing my face on this camera. I'm coming with something constructive that can help out all my homies to get them some money and to stay out of trouble, man. And also to be the best version of yourself, man. So it's your boy Do It Jack. Y'all know where to find me on Instagram at What's Your Hustle 1. I need y'all to like, share, subscribe to these videos. You know, we a real small community. You know what I'm saying? It's only really about 3,000-4,000 of us who really rock with each other on this channel, bro. So we a really small community. Let's try to grow that though, man. Let's share these videos, man. Leave some comments, bro. If anything that you think that I left out, leave a comment and let me know. Let everybody in the hood know. Respond to other people's comments as well, man. So it's your boy Do It Jack, man. Y'all get at me.